Alright, so what we got here is a couple of pictures of my 1997 CR250 just before I started working on it. Right when I got it home, parked it into the garage, and made sweet love to it before this. But hey, I'm gonna forewarn you guys, I did miss out on taking a bunch of pictures, so
Because I'm the arsehole who said I could
shoulda,
deliver.
coulda,
Am I an
woulda,
arsehole?
took a
Do I look like an
couple of
arsehole?
bunch
Yeah.
of more pictures that I did. Alright, so here's the before and after picture of the expansion chamber going onto the bike, and a little comparison pic of the mounts going onto the skid plate. Feels like it demonstrates the difference this simple green purple degreaser can make, especially if it's warm, or even boiling. Now, I would like to talk about this bearing press that I've got. It's my favorite tool that I've gained from all of this, and I tell you what, works like a charm, man. Can get anything in there from the cases to the wheels. And using this little setup, I preheated the cases just before blasting them with the heat gun. And check this out, that gear is upside down. It turned into an extra 45 minutes, but I got it together. Everything rotated smoothly. So next was the cylinder, fresh from Power Seal USA with some cleaned power valve parts and some new studs. After that, threw her onto the bike. Got some fresh brake fluid and greased the cables throughout the bike now, and I forgot to put that cover on there, but I got the Kickstarter on, and I used that to test for spark after putting it all together there. And bam, spark. And check out these graphics for the fork guards. They're straight up from 1997, dude. Look at that sticker. And there they are on the bike, along with the radiator hoses and expansion chamber, along with the FMF Power Core 2 silencer. And yep, final picture before the first time it runs. The bike almost fell off the stand there, but I caught it. While running the thing though, I found out that there was a radiator leak. But I went ahead and got the graphics on, tidied things up on the bike, waiting for the radiator to come in. Looking as fresh as you can see, so voila. It was my first time doing something like this. I'd always wanted to. I'm gonna give you guys a snippet of what I put into the bike, how much it cost me, and, a little, like a close look at it. So here we go.
Here she is. Yeah, fresh tires, front and back bearing, throughout the bearings and seals throughout the bike. Besides the steering stem here, grips, rental bar pad, rental fat bar that came with, and ASV levers. I got the red accent works connection cap and overkill switch, I call it. It ain't your regular switch, dude. And then, of course, your fresh front brake cable, brand new fluid, and little red accents and stuff. And that's new. That was on the bike. That's new. Didn't have one. Works connection guards. That side and the other side for the brake master cylinder. Chain and rear sprocket. Front sprocket was fine, I think, Looked good to me and looked good. Alright. rear chain guide, rollers, top and bottom. Of course, this thing just got that 11 bucks. Nice little accent to add, you know. Brand new brake guard, kick lever, V-Force 3 reeds. What was that? Guess I can't see the 3 right now. That's all right. Yeah. Oh yeah, the guard ain't on there because it's just too beefy of a radiator. Barely got the shrouds on there, man, but it's just a $50–$60 radiator anyway, so got the mounts on there and the works connection skid plate. There we go. Petcock rebuild, and you know, 2 bolts were all jacked up, like for the gas tank. They were sticking out, and fixed that with some epoxy and heat and stuff like that. Let's see here. You know, that's works connection. It doesn't say anything, but it's got that. And that thing was supposed to go right here, but it uses a gasket, and you can only take that off so many times. And that's a brand new rubber gasket on that, so I'm gonna use that for a little bit. Hoses, all that shit, and of course the seat cover and that deal. So yeah, new throttle and brake cable, and this right here, that bothers the heck out of me. But they, you know, a fellow neighbor, like the best fucking guy ever. Like he's badass. He's totally into that shit, like this shit, and he's tight. He said he can TIG weld that stuff. I don't know how much that would cost or where I can do that, but I mean, it's solid already, so should be okay. Keep an eye on it. Yeah, there she is. Polished to heck, pretty much. I didn't go full-fledged on the swing arm, just enough to cover up this little thing. It was like someone took some square steel bar, like steel square bar, and just freaking rammed it in there, and it was all peeled back and shit. Fixed that. And then right here too, it's like someone, like it got shot with something, I don't know. Rounded that out. Anyway, I think that's about it. Anyway, I think that's about it. You guys are still here. If anyone can let me know what that shit is in the comments, I'd be like, props, big time. Have a good day.